RoseBuds! Welcome back to my channel! Today's video, I'm going to share with you how I transformed this super large corduroy pants into a DIY patch jacket. So let's start! I made this pattern off camera from my old jacket, but if you want to know how I made this pattern, just comment down below and I'll show you one. The pattern that I made has no seam allowance. That's why I'm adding at least 1 cm seam allowance during cutting. But if you want your cutting to be smooth, you can retrace your pattern into another drafting paper with seam allowance already added. What I did here is I pinned the pattern into the fabric so it will not move during cutting. Also, I divided the back part into 3 parts, the front part into 2 parts, and the sleeves into 3 parts. Before cutting, I blend first the color of every piece so that it will have a contrasting colors. And this is the back part, which has 3 colors. Then pin the pieces right sides together. Remember to sew the vertical seams first before sewing the horizontal seam. This is the result after sewing. And this is the front part, which has 2 pieces. Sew the top bit and the bottom bit right sides together. And remember to make 2 pieces of the front part. And this is the result after sewing. Now place the two pieces of the front part to the back part, right sides together, then sew along the shoulder line. And this is the sleeves, which consist of 3 beads, then connect each other right sides together. But first, I mark down 7 centimeters to the bead that will face the back part of the main body. Also remember to make 2 pieces of the sleeves. Now we are going to attach the sleeves to the main body right sides together. Make sure that the part of the sleeves with its slit is facing the back part of the main body. Remember to place the seams along each other first before sewing so it will have a good alignment. And this is the result after attaching the sleeves to the main body. Then after attaching the sleeves, close the side seams of the main body. In the front part, I measure first 7 centimeters from the edge because it will be the bottom area of the jacket. Then from the mark line, I measure the whole neckline because it will be the same measurement of the neckband. And the measurement that I got is 63 centimeters. For the neckband, I measure 69 centimeters long and 10 centimeters wide. I get the center of the neckband, and from the center, I mark down 2 centimeters. Then I draw a curved line from corner to corner of the neckband. From both bottom corner of the neckband, I measure 3 centimeters inside, then draw a diagonal line. From the bottom edge of the neckband, I measure 1 cm upward to the both sides. When closing the neckband, don't include the 1 cm mark line. Before right side out, put notches in the corner of the neckband so it will flatten out. Then attach the neckband to the neckline of the main body from that centimeters mark line. Then sew along those pins. After that, follow the steps to create a bottom area. When closing the opening seams of the neckband, fold at least 1 cm inside and use the pins to hold them. I sew a loose seam at the bottom of the jacket to fit into the waistband that I'm going to use later. I use one of the waistband of the pants to finish up the bottom of the jacket. And this is the result after sewing the waistband. Since I used 3 pants, I attached the 2 remaining waistband to the bottom of the sleeves, but make sure it has the same measurement before attaching it. And this is the last step of this project, and we're done! This is the final transformations. This jacket is good for rainy seasons, but it can be also used as a cover up for your OOTDs like this. It brings out also your creativity along color variations. I hope you like it, and if you want to make one, please tag me along my Instagram account. I'll be very happy to hear that. And please give this a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and on the notification bell so you won't miss my coming videos. And I'll see you on my next videos. Bye!